Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about NIO stock price targets and NIO stock price predictions, along with some NIO stock news and updates regarding the approaching NIO Power Day event, which is coming up soon. We will start with a quick news recap, which includes NIO's projected delivery numbers, and then we will look over a plethora of price predictions from financial reporters, stock analysts, Reddit, and myself to determine if NIO is a good buy right now and how high the NIO stock price can go. We will start with the low end price targets and price predictions, and then we will slowly get into why NIO could be worth $400 a share. Go and press the like button right now for more stock news updates, comment your NIO stock price predictions down below, turn on subscription notifications if you are new, and now let's make you some free money with Webull. Webull is a free brokerage app where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies, but right now you can get 2 free stocks with Webull. You can get the first free stock, which can be worth anywhere from $2 to $250 for just creating an account, and you can get a second free stock, which can be worth up to $1,600 if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit. You will have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google or Procter & Gamble. To get this offer, just press on the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer will not last forever. And without further ado, let's get into today's stories. NIO stock has been moving up in price lately because of an approaching catalyst such as their NIO Power Day event, and because NIO stock was upgraded by a Citigroup analyst named Jeff Chung, who upgraded his NIO price prediction from $58.30 all the way up to $72 a share. This upgrade is because Chung sees NIO performing exceptionally well in the second half, and specifically the third quarter of 2021, where the stock will surge in price. NIO stock is already up around 36% this month, mainly because investors are piling back into NIO as the global semiconductor shortage slowly starts to get under control. NIO projects deliveries of 22,000 vehicles in the second quarter, which is still an improvement from delivering 20,060 premium electric vehicles in the first quarter. This quarter-over-quarter increase will lead to a year-over-year gain because NIO is anticipated to reach a total of 93,000 vehicle deliveries this year, which means they anticipate to deliver over 50,000 EVs in the second half of 2021. Another reason why the analyst has increased his NIO stock price target is because EV sales are growing faster than projected in China, which is great news for NIO. Right now, over 75% of Wall Street analysts dub NIO stock as a buy right now, and over here we see 8 out of 8 analysts deem NIO stock as a buy with a low price prediction of $50, an average price target of $63.63, and a high-end price target of $81. So in the beginning of this video, we went from a price target of $58.30, which was upgraded to $72, and now the high-end price target for NIO is $81. But we're just getting started. A huge catalyst that can cause the stock to rally before the actual day is NIO's Power Day on July 9th, where the newest generation of battery swap stations will be talked about, along with their latest 150 kilowatt hour battery, among other improvements, will bring even more investors to the company. And even though the stock price may drop immediately after the catalyst, it can cause the price to rally to new all-time highs afterwards. However, NIO does face competition from Tesla, Li Auto, XPeng, Lucid, and BYD to varying degrees, but analysts believe that NIO can clearly hold their own in this competitive EV market. NIO is China's leading EV maker, which is why NIO has the nickname the Tesla of China, and recently NIO's NIO stock has actually outperformed Tesla's TSLA stock. According to financial reporters, NIO stock is just getting started because it's extremely undervalued to them, to where NIO stock can comfortably reach $100 a share. Tesla has a market cap of around $580 billion, and NIO sits at around $74 billion. And even though Tesla has their solar and energy storage business segments, NIO has the capacity to rule the world's largest EV market in the world, which is China. So let me explain why NIO can easily hit $100 relatively soon. NIO is already a leading EV maker that is expanding globally. Its high-performance luxury electric vehicles are only rivaled by a few competitors. Their battery swap technology and subscription services reduce costs of their vehicles, and they are backed by the Chinese government who wants them to succeed. The company is already expanding into Norway and eventually into North America. With NIO's cult-like following, they are projected to do very well in Europe and North America, but I am extremely interested in what Tesla has in store for NIO once they start selling in the United States. Now, for NIO to reach the $100 price target, we need to make some assumptions and provide evidence. First, we assume that EVs make up 35% of the global auto market, which is easily attainable, especially if we compare it to Ford and GM's projections, who predict 40 to 50% of EV penetration. Next, we need NIO to obtain at least 8% market share of China's market, which again is easily attainable because NIO is coming from China. Next, we assume that NIO can gain 4% of the EV market outside of China, which is being worked on right now by NIO expanding around the world. Fourthly, we assume 25% gross margins and a 10% operating expense rate for a 15% operating margin. If our easily achievable assumptions are met, NIO will do $5.50 worth of earnings per share, which is absolutely insane. And if we base that on a regular 25 times earnings multiple, NIO stock could be worth over $140 a share. Now, the subreddit Wall Street Bets has taken this to a whole new level. They are known for pumping stocks and giving crazy high price targets for Workhorse's WKHS stock and Fisker, but the forecasts for NIO are not conservative like the numbers that I just laid out. So what happens if we don't use conservative numbers and use regular to optimistic numbers? Basically, a gross summary of the numbers and the logic behind Reddit's $400 NIO price prediction goes like this. NIO and Tesla are competitors. Tesla has a market cap of around $654 billion. NIO has the ability to be in the same ballpark as Tesla. If we use the same numbers that we just used but to their fullest potential, NIO could be a $520 billion company, putting them at $134 billion below Tesla, while granting NIO a stock price of around $400 based on their current market cap. Now, clearly this is a hypersimplification of the numbers and logic behind it, but one major thing that is left out of this is the time horizon of how long it will take NIO to achieve these types of numbers. Now, to me, that logic is heavily flawed, but I am extremely bullish on NIO. Some more good news is that NIO stock passed their 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day SMA lines, which is their simple moving averages, so investors look like they are gearing up before NIO's Power Day event, which again is on July 9th. So the momentum looks very good for NIO, but what do you all think? Comment your thoughts down below, press the like button right now if you made it this far in the video, turn on subscription notifications if you are new, and I will see all of you in the next YT video.